Good afternoon, dear students, and welcome to our math session. Dear students, today we are going to continue with our topic triangles. Before starting today's topic, dear student, we will revise in short what we have considered in the last session. In the last session, we have considered some examples from exercise 6.3 and some other extra examples. After that, dear students, the examples that we are now considering were based on the property criteria of similarity of the triangle. In this criteria of similarity of triangle, there are three tests that we have to apply. First is AA similarity rule, second is SSS similarity rule, and third is SAS similarity rule. Now when we consider these three similarity rules, what and how we have to solve this example, let us consider. Now we will consider some more examples. Consider an example. Now see what is given in this example. In figure, QR by QS. See, we will write down here given QR by QS is equal to QT by PR. And angle 1, this is angle 1 that we have shown here, angle PQR. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2, that is PRQ. These two angles are equal. Show that means to prove. To prove angle triangle PQS similar to triangle TQR. Now consider proof. Now see, first of all, what is given, once again we will focus on that. It is given that side QR by QS is equal to QT by PR. Now dear student, second given is that angle 1 means PQR is equal to PRQ. That is, in triangle PQR, these two base angles are equal given. If two base angles are equal, then it is isosceles triangle. And if it is isosceles triangle, therefore sides opposite to this equal angles are equal. That is, PQ is equal to PR. This we will get. Okay. Means PR and this PQ will be equal. After that, dear student, now we will replace this value of PR in this ratio by side PQ. Now therefore, now consider triangle PQR. Here angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. That is angle, since angle 1 is equal to angle 2, this is given. Okay, PQR is equal to PRQ, angle 1 is equal to angle 2, this is given, and therefore now we can write down PQ is equal to PR. Sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Okay, side opposite to equal angles are equal. means this is opposite to PR and this is opposite to PQ. Therefore, PQ is equal to PR. This is given. Now, after this, number this as equation number 1. Now, consider this ratio. Now, since therefore we will get QR by QS is equal to QT, and now instead of PR we will replace PQ or QP, since PR is equal to PQ. Now consider triangle this as 2. Now consider triangle PQS and triangle TQR. See, these two triangles, we have to show that these two triangles are similar, that is PQS and TQR. Now if you want to show that these two triangles are similar, first see, we have got the ratio of their side, that QR by QS is equal to QT by QP. See, means QR by QS is equal to QT by QP from 2. And now the angle between these two sides, see, QR by QS and QT by QP, and angle between these two sides is common, and angle PQS is equal to angle TQR. Okay, PQS is equal to angle TQR, common angle. We have got this angle as common angle. Now after getting this angle as a common angle, what we are getting here, that the two sides here are in proportion and the angles included between them is equal. Therefore, triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR by SAS similarity rule. And hence we have proved this example in this way. Understand, dear student? See, once again concentrate here. That what is given first of all here, that QR by QS is equal to QT by PR, and angle 1 is equal to angle 2 is given, that is angle PQR and angle PRQ. These two angles are given equal. We have to prove that triangle PQS, this smaller one, is similar to triangle TQR, this bigger one. First of all, now we have considered the smaller angle. Consider triangle PQR. Now in this triangle PQR, it is given that angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So if angle 1 is equal to angle 2, then PQR is equal to PRQ. Given angle 1 is equal to 2. And if these two angles are equal, then the sides opposite to these two angles will also be equal to each other. Therefore, this triangle becomes isosceles triangle. Okay. So the two sides are equal, that is PQ is equal to PR. Now therefore in this given ratio, we can replace this PR by PQ. Okay, this PR can be replaced by PQ. Now after replacing this PR by PQ, what we will get here, that QR by QS is equal to QT by QP. Okay, QR by QS is equal to QT by QP. Now we will consider these two triangles which we have to show that they are similar. To show that these two triangles are similar, consider these two triangles, and in these two triangles, see, from equation 2 we have got that these sides are in proportion. See, PQS and TQR, these two triangles we have considered. So QR by QS is equal to QT by QP. This we have got, and this angle between them, that is angle Q, is common in both the triangle, and therefore two triangles are similar by SAS similarity rule. Understand, dear students? Now we will consider the second example. Now see, we will consider another example. Consider triangle PQR. Now in this triangle PQR, S is the point on side PR. Suppose this is S and T is the point on QR. Suppose this is T on QR. Such that angle P is equal to RTS. Such that this angle P is equal to RTS, to this angle. These two angles are equal. Then show that angle RPQ. See, I will write down here given. Are the points on side PR and QR respectively, and angle QPR is equal to angle RTS. Okay. To prove, we have to prove that angle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. Now, dear student, consider these two triangles. Now, in these two triangles, RPQ and RTS, what we will get here, see, both are having this angle are common, that is angle PRQ is equal to angle SPQ. RT, common angle. Second, we will get angle QPR is equal to angle RTS. This is given. This angle T and P, they are equal. This is given and angle R is common. Now two angles are common, therefore triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS by AA similarity rule. These two triangles are similar by AA similarity rule. Okay. Now what this we have to prove, student, and this we have proved that this was the required condition. Now next that we have to consider here, we will consider another example. See, the diagram is given like this. See, what is given in this condition, that we will consider. Now AD and CE are altitudes of triangle ABC which intersect each other at point P. See, given in triangle ABC, AD is perpendicular to BC and CE is perpendicular to AB. Okay. AD and CE intersect at P. To prove, now to prove there are four conditions, four things that we need to prove here. First, triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP. Second, see, in second it is given that ABD is similar to triangle CBE. Third, we have to prove is triangle AEP similar to triangle ADB. And third is PDC is similar to triangle BEC. See, so dear student, now we have to prove here four things. Okay. See dear student, now from this given condition we have to prove the triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP. First of all, to prove one by one we will consider the triangles proof. Now first, consider triangle, these two we have to prove. Consider triangle AEP and triangle CDP. AEP and CDP. Now in this triangle, see this angle, this is of perpendicular on this, so this is 90. Means AEP is equal to CDP. Each of 90 degree. Okay, each of 90 degree. And second, angle A, these two angles are vertically opposite angle. Okay, so this angle is equal to this angle. So we will get angle APE is equal to angle CPD, vertically opposite angle. Therefore, these two triangles are similar by AA similarity rule. Okay, label this as equation 1. Now, if two angles are equal, then third angle must be equal. If we will need that, we will take it as equal. So from there we will get therefore angle PAE is equal to angle PCD. Okay, equation number 2. Angles of similar triangle are equal. Now second we will consider triangle ABD and triangle CBE. Therefore, we will get here ABD and CBE. Now, in this angle is common to both ABD and CBE. This is common. And next, see CEB. This angle is of 90 and ADB. This angle is of 90. So these two angles are equal, therefore these two triangles will be similar by AA similarity rule. Now angle ABD is equal to angle CBE, common angle. Second, angle ADB is equal to CEB, each of 90. Therefore, triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE, equation number 3, by AA similarity rule. Okay. Now, after this third we will consider triangle AEP and triangle ADB. AEP, this smaller one, and ADB, DB. Now in this both angle A is common to both, therefore angle EAP is equal to angle BAD. Okay, common angle. And second is angle of 90 degree. Angle AEP is equal to angle ADB, each of 90 degree. And therefore triangle AEP is similar to triangle ADB by AA similarity rule. Okay, and now we will consider fourth. This will be equation number 4. Fourth we have to prove is triangle PDC. Consider triangle PDC and triangle BEC. Now if you observe, dear student, these triangles, okay, both these triangles PDC, this smaller one, and BEC. So angle C is common to both of them, and each angle, this angle PDC and here CEB, this angle is of 90. One angle is common. Common angle, and after that angle PDC is equal to angle BEC, each of 90, and therefore we will get angle PDC is similar to angle BEC by AA similarity rule. So all the examples that we have to prove here have been proved by AA similarity rule. Okay, dear student. So in this way we have solved this example. Today you need to solve the exercise 6.3. Try to practice on that. Okay, revise the solved example. Write down solved example once again or before this 6.3 exercise. So in this way, dear students, we have applied the examples, we have applied the properties, and we have solved these examples. So you have to practice properly, apply the rules properly, and using that you can prove what we have to prove here. Okay, dear students. So hope that you are practicing and studying regularly, and you are completing your notebooks properly. Maintain your notebook record properly, as they are carrying marks of internal assessment. Okay, dear students. So keep your notebook properly, complete your work, and very few students are sending homework. So all of you try to send your homework regularly, because the record will be maintained for that. Okay, dear student. Till then, have a nice day and take care, my dear students.